this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Once you have opened it, pretty much should be greeted with a drama series. Here you have a lot of drama series which you can watch. All you have to do is pretty much go ahead and scroll, and you pretty much will find the drama series that you want. So if I do scroll, I'll be able to find a different drama series which I can watch here, as you can see, and so forth. So I don't want to play it all because with copyright strikes and so forth. But anyways, so any one of these drama series that you want to fully watch, you can tap on the episode option here. And do keep in mind, while navigating through the application, you're going to encounter a lot of ads. At most, that's the only thing for this drama application that you encounter is ads. So all you have to do is pretty much X off the ads. You may see a lot of these ads like this, and all you have to do, you have to wait until you see the arrow icon here. You may see it showing up again. You have to tap on X again to remove it. And as you can see here, I'm able to fully remove the ads. So down here, be able to see all episodes that I can watch. Here, I don't have to purchase anything or like that to watch any of these episodes. All these episodes are pretty much free, but you're going to encounter a lot of ads, guys. So do keep that in mind. And if you want to go back to the big screen option, you can just tap on this here and you'll be able to see the full episode and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And I do go back and remove these here and pretty much go on a different episode. As you can see here, a lot of ads while navigating. As you can see here, I'm trying to go back, but here's just a bunch of ads. So once you have pretty much found the drama series you're pretty much want to watch, you're good to go. And as well, you can give it a follow up on that episodes. So you can tap on the drama option down here, which gives you the option to see other drama series. So that section that I showed you before was the short form series where you just scroll and scroll and be able to find different other drama series which you can watch. So these you can go on the home screen here and be able to find other drama series as well. These are some new ones that have been added to the application. You have some other ones like here, and you can always go ahead and add a type option and be able to see the top ones here, which everyone's watching. You can also search, let's say, revenge type of drama series. You can search at the top, maybe to find something relating to that. So that's really pretty much it for that option. And as well, you can go on the home section and get their VIP subscription. So to get the VIP subscription unlocks all drama episodes, but most of the drama series are pretty much free, but access all the drama series and as well remove the ads completely from the application. So if you're kind of annoyed by these ads, you're going to need to get your subscription. So you're going to tap on this option here where it says Go VIP, and you'll be able to get the first week or 7 days free trial of your subscription. As you can see, you're not a free trial, I mean a low price. As you can see, you're only for, let's say, $1. So 80% off of your subscription for the first week. Then you start paying the regular price. So that's really pretty much it for that, and it does remove the ads and as well unlock all drama series. But that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, guys, just comment below. I'd love to help you. See you in the next one.